How would you like to earn $6,772 and avoid working a 9-to-5 job for the rest of your life? I've come across a site that pays an average of $6,772 per month using your voice. This is the perfect opportunity for you to get paid with the help of your voice without having to invest anything more than your time. Want to know how you can make a full-time income using your voice? Check out this video to see how this works and how you can start earning money today. But before we start our today's video, I know you're trying to make money online and I want to help you out. So, I am sharing something really special and exclusive to make more than $1,000 each and every day, so make sure you don't miss out on that and make sure you check the first link in the description below. And also sharing some amazing apps to make some money instantly, so check the other links in the description as well. Now, let's jump to the video, and make sure to watch till the end. Remember to subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell. The voice actor business is a booming industry. With the help of the internet, it has become easier to get started and make big money using your voice. Voice actors are an important part of the entertainment industry. They help bring stories to life by providing voices for characters in movies, cartoons, and video games. The internet has made it easier for voice actors to share their work with others and also make money from their work. Voice actors can now do as much as they want without having to rely on traditional media outlets or TV networks for exposure. Today, I will show you an amazing site if you are looking to work as a voiceover and earn more money. It is called voicearchive.com. VoiceArchive is a global media company specializing in voiceover production in over 120 languages. With 15 years in the industry, they produce award-winning native-only voiceovers for e-learning, marketing, advertising, TV and radio. On VoiceArchive, you will join an exclusive voice talent roster, receive professional work from global clients, have no unfair audition practices, and have no subscription fee. To register on VoiceArchive, they only accept applications submitted through the form on site. Direct emails will not be accepted as applications. How much can you get paid? This depends on the voice skills. Once you have been listed in their database, you will be on board through a process that explicitly details the expectations and tells you the pay. Anyway, according to ZipRecruiter, voice actors' salary will be an average of $6,772 per month, which means $39 per hour. In the end, make sure to check the links in the description below to know how to make more than $1,000 each and every day, and the other apps to make money instantly. And if you found this video valuable, give me a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on the notification bell, and comment below where you are from, and I will create a specific video for your region.